Hello young innovator, and this is the Reimagine challenge in the March challenge kit. So as always, let's get started by reading the challenge together in the app. Right. Innovators are driven by the challenge of enhancing value of everyday functional objects, spaces, and even services. Are you ready to take on the monthly challenge to reimagine an everyday, almost invisible functional object? Go for it. Can you reimagine a mirror to enhance its value? Watch the video titled Reimagine in the video section to understand this concept and challenge better. So let's get set, innovate. So let's get straight to the challenge worksheets. The very first worksheet is my problem statement. So you're going to write down a clear and concise problem statement. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is think about all the times in the day you use a mirror and why you use a mirror. And now I want you to identify at least 3 to 5 different places outside your home where you would find mirrors. Okay, so for example, clothing shops would have mirrors everywhere so that you could see how something fits on you. You could have, exercise studios have mirrors everywhere so that people can check their form while exercising, their posture while exercising. Even a dental clinic would have a mirror where the dentist can look inside. Cars have mirrors where you can check the rear view and the side view, right? So come up with at least 3 to 5 such applications. Okay, so clearly mirrors are used for lots of different reasons and in lots of different contexts. Okay, so what I want you to do is you can pick any one of them and I want you to start brainstorming ideas to add value to that experience of looking in the mirror. Okay, how can you make it better? So for example, if somebody needs to look in the mirror while exercising, how can that help them exercise better, right? Or if somebody is self-critical while looking in the mirror while stepping out every morning after dressing up, how can we help them deal with that emotion, right? So these are just some examples. I want you to pick a context that you think you would want to innovate for and try to come up with ideas to reimagine by adding value to a mirror in that context. So I really hope that you've gone beyond the first idea that jumps at you and come up with more than one idea to reimagine, to redesign a mirror, to add meaningful value to a mirror. Pick your favorite idea and draw it, draw out your innovation and take a photo and upload it in the worksheet titled My Innovative Idea. Moving on to the last worksheet, you are going to present your innovation, your mirror reimagined to the world as an advert. This could be a TV advert, a radio jingle, a billboard hoarding, that's up to you. But what you need to keep in mind is, in addition to explaining how your innovation works and what is great about your innovation, you are going to have to make it engaging. You're going to have to grab interest. How do you do that? You add some wit, add some humor, and make sure that your advert is crisp but clever. I'll see you in the next challenge.